Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to delete wallpaper on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need block our phone and unblock. After that, click on our screen, and if you want to delete your currently wallpaper, you need swipe up your wallpaper and click on this trash can and click delete this wallpaper. And here, if you want to add new wallpaper, you must swipe to the right and click on this plus and choose any new wallpaper. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.